Hey guys, and welcome to Brawlhalla. It's a great game. Just gonna get out ready. This is well, you don't know this Super Smash Bros, but in these type of characters. This is the second powerful in strength. That out of all of these ones I haven't got yet. So I have bought that one, but you're not real money. It's just that your points in the top corner. So then so it stays there, so I don't have to switch them out on fins. No, I really want to get this one. It's supposed to be like an anime character, supposed to be like really overpowered. So I am going to Val. Because Val is quite speedy, but Val's alright. There's the waiting area. Oh, don't bully me. Yumiko, how dare they have Yumiko? Right, sorry. Dare they have Yumiko? Yumiko is good because it can teleport them away. Oh, I've said I have good connections. Right, I'm gonna let him get that. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Oh shit. Come on. Show me. Oh, he's bad. Got a single hit on me. There we go. Not a single hit. Also had the common courtesy. Oh no, I killed myself. No, I killed myself. I'm an idiot. I killed myself. Right. Fuck. Got it. But if he tries to shoot me, I can grab him, so... But he can't really do anything to me. Hey! Died by my own idiocy, I'm sad. So in speed, but attack I'm very low. So it's nice. I think they just disconnected. I think that means like they go. No, this is just a robot. Come on. Wow. That was. Wow. I got some good coinage of that, and I shall do it other one where I can kill all these Mexicans. I hate that thing, like if you, especially this map in that corner, I annihilated 3 people at a time with that type of weapon, so they're very overpowered. Oh, he's got a, oh. It's funny that my stats are like a staircase. Oh, okay, I need the weapon. Oh! Oh god, he's good. Gosh. Pooh! No, okay, I need my hammers. Oh, turd. Come on. Really? I could beat him with these hammers, but I'm a bit low. Oh. Woo! Damn. Oh god. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Hey! Haha! Oh, I'm low. Oh god. If I can beat him getting a gun, not a gun, a fin. No! Well, I know I probably won't win this battle, but if I can just get him low enough so I can get easy win of this bit. Yeah, I can do that easy. Oh, no, you're not allowed. This guy quit. Oh, I'm winning now. Ho ho. Oh. Get down there. Oh, got him. Ho ho. And he spent money on the game and I got regular pedestal. Oh, she's actually a higher tier than me. Oh. Actually better than everything except... Actually no, he's better than me at everything and I beat him. Ha ha. Ha ha. He's no match for me. Don't hit me. I was BLB. What? Oh, this is what I hate. This I can't really do anything with that one. You bully. Oh. Oh. This one again. Also, I'm playing on controller on this. I'm gonna plug my Xbox controller in. Okay, come to me. Oh, he's gonna throw it at me and then take the other one. Knew it. Hey. Oh god. So that's my finishing move. If there's ever a corner, I can easily one-shot them. Oh, come on. I'm gonna get my charge attack in. No! Oh, I dodged it. Oh, I was going to use my charge attack, but I failed. Oh! 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 Idiot. Oh. Nobody can beat me at fisticuffs. Huh. Yeet. No. I could get into run sig. I did down sig like that. No, you're not getting this bomb. No. Damn. Got really low though, he's one shot. I thought it would miss me. Right. Just need to wait for a weapon to drop near here. Carefully. He didn't even need to dodge, it wouldn't have hit him. There we go. Easy wins. Come on. Show me how you go. Oh god. Well, I probably would win this because even though I'm half health, and well, I got 2 more. I got other respawn left, and he doesn't. He has none, and he's quite low. And no characters really have a advantage, except like so it's all equal like round. So like, say one could limit is 10 of how much like points you can have in different fins, but it can't be a limit of how much like points are. Unless you like you can swap them around for a tiny bit. So say if I put all 10 in speed, but somebody else could have a 10 in something else. So, oh, what was that? Like they have each one has. I've read like they each have like 20 types of SIGs that you can do, and they're like they don't tell you. You just click random buttons hopefully to get the SIG. No, no, no! I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. No, I can't lose this. I can't lose this. No! Oh, he just got yeeted on. Alright, this is the end of the video, so bye bye.